Hi, I'm Dr. Dayne Rogers with Livewell Robotic Therapy in Clarkston, Michigan. If you've been suffering from IT band syndrome, you've come to the right place. This is the RX2600 therapeutic robot. It is a groundbreaking medical technology that performs robotic physical therapy. Robotic physical therapy is an advanced form of muscular therapy that focuses on soft tissue mobilization. Muscles can become shortened due to injury and repetitive daily activities. This can create imbalances and pull your body out of alignment. Lengthening the muscles takes tension off the bone structure, improves postural alignment, increases mobility, and decreases aches and pains. As you may know, IT band syndrome is often caused by tightness in your hip flexors, quads, or glutes, as well as imbalances in your pelvis. These imbalances can lead to muscular pain and put increased tension on the IT band. Everyday habits like improper exercise form, repetitive motions, overuse, or simply a sedentary lifestyle can trigger IT band syndrome, causing tension and discomfort from the hip to the knee. Robotic physical therapy addresses the shortened and tight muscles with the goal to allow your body to get back to its natural alignment. The RX2600 is precise and efficient in the amount of pressure applied to the muscle tissue. Because of this, patient discomfort is reduced to a minimum, if any at all. Many patients see results in their very first session. Most of our patients' issues are resolved in the matter of 5 to 10 weekly sessions. When you compare the time and cost to other treatments, it is an affordable and effective solution. Sessions are once a week, last an hour, but your first visit will be around 90 minutes. This gives us enough time for a full assessment in addition to a full treatment session.